You are hearing about APIs everywhere, but what exactly are they and why do they matter so much? Think about successful companies today. They delight and connect with their customers through powerful apps and convenient superfast digital experiences. And then think about companies that are falling behind or don't even exist anymore. Why are some companies able to deliver these digital experiences and innovate so fast, while others aren't? Application programming interfaces, they make all this magic possible. APIs are software interfaces that let different computer systems and applications talk to one another and share information. APIs also give developers frictionless and secure access to company data so they can build all these amazing apps. Think of a restaurant review app. One API provides the app with menus and hours. Another provides locational data from a digital map company. Yet another API pipes in information on whether there's a reservation available at 7 o'clock tonight. APIs are like building blocks which combine into amazing experiences that make our lives better and more convenient. Are you getting the picture? Your parents, employees, and customers expect you to be easy to interact and connect with. You gotta be digital, so it's gotta be APIs.